Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Bring it to a rolling boil, and then use tongs or hands grab the lobsters, plunging each one head first into the water. Cover and allow the water to return to a boil. Once it is boiling again, reduce the heat to medium, and allow the lobsters to cook for 7 minutes for a 1-pound lobster. 2 December 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Oven method. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Put the lobster in a heat-proof, oven-safe dish and cover it with foil. Make sure there is liquid in the dish, the lobster sauce, stock or butter. Heat in the oven until the lobster is warm. Take out of the oven and serve. The 14th of December 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Move to knuckles, twist arms, to remove both claws and attached knuckles, 2 small jointed sections, from body. Twist knuckles to remove them from claw. Break knuckles into 2 pieces at joint using back of chef's knife or lobster cracking tool. Use handle of teaspoon or skewer to push meat out of shell.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Stovetop method. Find a pot large enough for your leftover lobster and add water. Bring the water to a boil. Place the lobster in the basket on its back and cover. Reheat on medium heat for about 5 to 8 minutes. Take the lobster out of the pot and let it cool before serving. The 14th of December 2018.
Take our lead.
Always make sure your lobster tails are fully defrosted so the tail meat can cook evenly and prevent the meat from sticking to its shell. Review our tips for thawing frozen lobster tails. That's right, you can always remove the lobster meat from the shell before cooking. Instructions below.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.